Welcome to 4710 Heron Court. This adorable home is located in the desirable community of Pheasant Run Ranch. It's located close to multiple military institutions, I-25, and the Powers Corridor. One of my favorite things is it's in a great cul-de-sac on a large, almost quarter-acre lot. There's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 garage. Come on in, let's take a look. Welcome to this charming home. It's so warm and inviting. You'll notice that the main level has beautiful new wood, bamboo engineered floors throughout. When you look up to the vaulted ceiling, you'll also see wood paneling that's been updated with a whitewash, and it extends throughout the main level. From the family room, you can see upstairs, you can see the lower level, and it leads right into the kitchen. The kitchen has been nicely updated with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, tile, backsplash, updated fixtures and lights. Additionally, the eat-in kitchen area then leads directly out to the outdoors and patio space.